So this is what's called an hand shield. Like Captain America and Wonder Woman have an hand shield. This hand shield teaches you and protects you for when people say mean things to you. Because sometimes there's going to be people that say mean things. How many of you have ever had somebody try to hurt your feelings? Right, like a bully, right. So if somebody says mean things to you, if you say, so what, or if you get upset, they see you get upset and they win. But if you use the and shield and say to them and, then what happens is they're gonna get, it's gonna get frustrated, it's gonna get harder for them to keep trying to bully you and keep trying to hurt your feelings. So I'll show you an example. Massimo, I want you, should we be talking right now or should we be listening? Okay, so I like the way that Massimo's following directions. So Massimo, what I want you to do is you are going to make fun of me. Okay, so you can make fun of my hair, you can make fun of me sweating, you can make fun of my belly, whatever you want. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and you'll see, and you tell me, did Massimo make me upset or did I stay happy? Ready? Well, let's find out. Ready? So Massimo, and you can do it from the side so you can see him a little bit. Okay. So ready? So now, start making fun of me and watch what happens. You guys can sit down. You can sit down, Massimo. Ready? Okay. So Massimo, start making fun of me. My belly and what? And so am I getting upset? No. So who's winning? Is he winning or am I winning? I'm winning. So now who wants to practice this? So ready? I'm going to have one at a time. You're going to stand up. You're going to come over and whoever's showing respect, if you're calling out, are you going to get to go or are you going to have to be skipped? Okay, so let's see who's showing respect. All right, so come on up here. And ready, you're going to hold on to this. It's pretty heavy. Can you hold on to it? Hold on to it with your hands like this. And hold on to it with your hand like that. Is it too heavy? Is it okay? Okay, but now you got to put it down so we can see it. Is that like that? Okay, so look at the camera. And ready, so I'm gonna say something to you. Are you gonna get upset or are you gonna say and? All right, so look at me. Ready? So if I say to you, I want you to cover your face or bring it down. Okay, good. So if I say to you, your hair is weird, what do you say? And then that's it. Good job. Give a round of applause. Who wants to go? Raise your hand quietly. All right, let's see who has not been calling out. All right, come on, Grayson, get up here. Okay, good. All right, so ready? You're going to practice. So ready, Grayson? Your shoes are ugly. What do you say? Okay, good job. Did he get upset? No. No, good job, Grayson.